Welcome to Lesson 2. This is Emotions Vocabulary Week, and you will be doing a few emotions vocabulary words each day until you have hit all 16. Feel free to plan out your timeline for the week to see how many words you want to do each day. We do suggest 3 to 4 a day, but as we know, schedules dictate everything in schools, so if you have to double up one day, don't worry about it. You will need the following for this lesson each day. You should have the teacher's guide, the emotion character definition, readily available because that will have your definitions that you'll be reading to the students. You'll also want to have the emotion characters large, which you can find in the materials section of the curriculum. You'll need sticky notes of different colors, and students will need some pencils and pens and dry erase boards. You should also think about dividing your students into small groups because that will be essential. Now, before you begin the lesson each day, you will want to hang the large characters up around the classroom so they are visible for everyone. You will also want to divide your students, as I suggested, into small groups so that they can work together each day. We have again given you the suggested language in the curriculum to use while teaching this lesson. Your overall goal for each day is for students to work together to try to define each emotion by using the sticky notes you provide them to write down words that they know and feel represent how they think that character's emotion feel. Ultimately, you will end up giving them a specific definition for each emotion from your emotions vocabulary guide, but this lesson kind of gets them thinking about the differences of each emotion while working with their peers. Looking ahead, in Lesson 3, you will revisit the same worksheet from Lesson 1 that was your pre-assessment. This will allow you to see if your students have gained in their ability to identify the emotions they've felt. You will also be introducing a reflection journal that students will be using going forward. You can hear more about the reflection journals by clicking on the reflection journal video on this website. I will also point out here that this is your emotion character definitions teacher's guide. You see each of the female and male versions of the emotions characters, as well as the definition and word that's associated with them.